Far too often, noise can make it hard to concentrate, be it loud traffic or loud people. But audio experts say certain sounds can make it easier to focus and relax, and they include bird singing. Birdsong is beautiful. At the moment, more than ever before, I am noticing the sound of birdsong from outside my window, and I wonder if you and your family can hear it too. For some people, birdsong is more calming than meditation. So just for today, take some time to listen out for the birds proudly singing their little songs in the trees. Their ability to live in the moment is really quite breathtaking. And if you like what you hear, acknowledge your happiness with a smile.